Oh, see what it's doing with its booty? That's how they make spittlebugs. The orange ones are the little ones, the juveniles, the babies. That is so gross. It literally looks like somebody spit or jizzed in your garden. Pardon my American. But that's exactly what it looks like. It looks like a mix between the two things I said. Look at that. That is how they make the spit. But this one probably has to work it up because it lost a lot making up the first round of spit to cover them. It's what protects them from